Hey everybody, I picked this lock up today. Worked on it about an hour and got it open. I didn't film myself. At least an hour. I think if I had a nice set of picks, I would get it open a lot quicker. All my picks are too thick at the top of the keyway. So I'm gonna try bottom of the keyway. Yeah, cause see I can feel the pin. I'll just show you it's locked. It's no big deal, but yeah, I can feel the pin now, bottom of the keyway. So 1, 2. Oh, it already moved. Three. That's a spool. Okay, so I'm gonna go up to 4, 5. Okay, I'm gonna go back down. Well, I couldn't feel the pins like this earlier, so I should be able to get this open. I'm not able to pulsate this like I like to. Needs to be up here more, but at least I can feel the pins. Wow, it just moved big time. False set, I guess you'd call it. I don't like hollering out big words like false set because I don't even know if I truly know what that means. I know when a spool goes in, it gets stuck. I think that's what you call a false set. It's in there sideways. And you gotta let off the tension a little bit to get the spool the rest of the way in there. Is that correct? I'm not getting any back rotation though. Okay, what's going on? I lost all my bounciness in all of them, basically. Okay, see my pick gets stuck. Okay, let me try another pick. I've got it slightly canted. It's in a false set right now. I don't like this tensioner very well though, it don't let me move it much. It's almost like it's almost like the spool is binding. Yeah, I don't like that one. Yeah, it feels almost like the spool is binding, but I don't know how that would be. Well, I guess if that line's down there on the bottom, it would bind. That's what it feels like, too. So I'm not able to... I'm barely putting any pressure and I'm not able to push. Not one pin. I'm gonna take... It's binding because... Yeah, it's binding because look, I can't even push this. What I mean is the spool is binding on something. I need to not put it in so deep. See, look. The tensioner is actually bound in there with the whole keyway. That's why it isn't opening. Let me see if I can see. I can't even move it hardly. There we go. Lost everything, but I brought another. Oh yeah, I brought a long tensioner. Maybe this one won't stick. Yeah, the other one got stuck in there is what was wrong. It was holding the spool tight. It wasn't letting it counter rotate or nothing for me. There's my counter rotation I always get when I get to 3. I cannot push 1 or 2, even letting off complete tension. Well, at least it ain't stuck. I can tell when I let off it. Feeling better about this one though. You go hit 4 and 5 again. A while ago it opened when I went back to 3. Feel. No, it's not stuck like the other one was. I don't feel like I've pushed 1 and 2, but I had to. Probably overset 1 and 2. It's irritating how you can open it 1 minute and the next minute you can't open it. I'm telling you, these Ace locks, something about them. one guy said they're hard to open because they're such crappy locks. That the tolerances are so big that you can't get any pins to hold. And I thought, I don't believe that. I mean, in theory, that makes sense, you know what I mean? But if that makes lock picking harder, then why don't they do that to all locks? Make the holes bigger where you can't bind a pin very easy. I mean, if that's what's doing it, I mean, this lock has a name of being hard to pick, so I think that's pretty good for a lock to have that name. I know I've got to let off this tension and hit the right pin. Let off some of the tension. You know, I probably should be on my vise. Darn it, darn it, darn it, guys. Darn it. Come on, let's open.
You cannot just drop out. Wait, you live for Africa with no return date? Are you kidding me? You're happy? That's totally different. Yeah, because I'm not waiting 12 years to do what I'm doing.
Okay, let me try a different approach. Oh yeah, I got 4 and 5 to move.
My kid kind of got me out of the Christmas spirit.
Sleep tomorrow. Why should you wait till then?
Well, the problem is that he's just announced that he's going to drop out of school.
Come
Play
on.
this band, moving with his friends.
I feel like the trick is right there. That's the one I hit a while ago. I think it's a spool pin that's sideways. And I'm afraid to let off the tension too much.
I'm just going to terrible company.
See you in the morning.
All right, what do you think about what I said? I love you so much.
Ah, dang it. I'm sorry, guys. I should have brought a rake. See if this one's rakeable. The silver one, the other one isn't rakeable. I tried and tried. Not this silver one, my other silver one. I ground the pins off on the other silver one. I plan on taking it apart. I'm gonna have to get a chisel or something. I don't even know if it's possible, but I'm taking it apart. I want to see what's inside of them. It's unreal how hard these locks are.
He's a good kid. He's gonna be fine.
I just feel guilty, you know? Like I
try to imitate, you know, the real good lock pickers. They have a certain hold, you know. I can't get no
I know. You're going this way.
It's not even
You're not going this way.
pressure that way. No leverage. Well, I might as well forget this because it's probably overset. One, two.
Mary, I was going to surprise you with a Christmas present, but no, I wasn't sure. I don't think I've seen you paint anything that's sleepy.
Thought I'd give something else a try.
How's that turning out for you?
She's leaving. So I guess
See, when I do the first two pins first, I don't get the false set on 3. So it makes me think 1 and 2 are overset.
Can't do it. Sorry.
Well,
I might as well erase these videos and
Chris decided to terminate funding as of the
watch the TV.
This isn't about us.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
It's not about the begging events.
Got it. 17 minutes. $17. I can't believe it. That is one hard lock. Wow.
All right, then. I'll drive you.
That is a tough one. Finally got it though. Thanks for watching with me, y'all. I'll put this on YouTube, I guess, so I can get it late. Talk to y'all later.